You are going to love the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful eight-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a power seat, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.